So we're at Newcastle Castle's rooftop, and it's been a while since I've been on one, since I went back to India, and it's so cool. Hello! So we've just done with the castle.
In Newcastle?
Yeah. What do you guys think of it?
It's great. Very nice.
Thumbs up.
Next stop.
Big like statue, you know, like the arms out.
So we're at Angel of Mart. So we finished Angel of Mart and we're walking back to get to the bus station.
Jasmine, don't go that high up.
Come to this place, guys. They give us free ice cream.